It was just an amazing experience, and now we've gone from 16th in the world to 8th in the world. Nevertheless, the best thing in my sporting career so far. I actually brought the medal along here to show you.
Lovely.
When I think back to coping with all the pressures at the World Cup was really our friendships that stood to us. I think in sport, and I'm sure you can relate to this, you know, when you don't succeed, it brings you closer together.
Good.
Certainly the lifelong friendships that I have established in sport have become part and parcel of who I am in many ways. I think back to those women that came before me and the example that they set about how to conduct themselves, how to manage the demands on their lives, how to treat people with respect.
Being part of a team, you get a real sense of belonging to something bigger than yourself even. It's a real opportunity to learn more about yourself by establishing some real genuine relationships with your teammates and coaching and management.
Yes.
You kind of build this element of trust and honesty with one another that you maybe don't get in your other friendships that you maybe make through school or university. And it means now that I know any of those girls would run through a brick wall for me and I would do the same for them. So then when you're faced with maybe bigger problems in life, they're probably the people that I would look to first because we have that trust and honesty element.